but also they have found different designs which the people have been drawn on the pot, like geometrical designs, plants designs, animals images, birds and fish. These were made on these pottery or the pots. When the historians or the archaeologists have found about these pots, they might have not got the full fledged or the full shaped pot, but the pieces of these pots tells them about the art and craft of the people of the Indus Valley region. So students, previous topic was art and craft related to Indus Valley civilization. Now we'll see about the decline of Indus Valley civilization. That is how ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಂದು ಒಂದು ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ ಕೊನೆಗೊಳ್ತು ಅಂತ, ಅಂತ್ಯವಾಯಿತು ಅಥವಾ ಪತನಗೊಳ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ವನಾಶ ಆಯಿತು. How this Indus Valley civilization got ended. Life of this Indus Valley region civilization got ended. The first is during the 1500 BCE, the Indus Valley civilization got declined, and we doesn't find any reliable sources. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಂತಹ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸನೀಯವಾದಂಥ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಧಾರಗಳು ದೊರೆತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ, ವಿಚ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಡಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಂಧೂ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊನೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪುರಾತತ್ವ ಆಧಾರಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಆಧಾರಗಳು, ನಂಬಲಾಗಂಥ ಆಧಾರಗಳು ದೊರೆತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ the historians pointed out certain reasons. They have pointed out, in the sense, based on the things which they have found as a sources on this excavation process, they suggested ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಹಂಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅಂತ ಊಹೆಗಳಿದೆ ಹೊರತು ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿಖರವಾದ ಆಧಾರಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ದೊರೆತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಜನಾಂಗದವರು ವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಜನಾಂಗದವರು ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರು, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಕೊನೆಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪುರಾವೆಗಳು ದೊರೆತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಇತಿಹಾಸಕಾರರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೀಗೂ ನಡೆದಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಊಹೆ ಮೇರೆಗೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ? ದೇ ಟೆಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಫ್ಲಡ್ or migration, that is the people might be moved from one place to another place, and due to the natural disasters like flood, earthquake or ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕ ವಿಪತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಜನಗಳ ಕೊನೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ಲಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಷನ್. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜನಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂಥ ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಗತ್ಯಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇನು ದೊರಕಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಥಳಾಂತರಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಓವರ್ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಷನ್ or deforestation, as I said, over utilization of the resources, they might not having the plenty of resources for the survival of their life, and infertility of the land. So the land which they are using for the cultivation may not be fertile to grow the crops and to have food further. And so basically they tell that flood, migration, natural disaster, overcultivation, deforestation, infertility of the land, these are the certain reasons which the historians tell. These are the reasons which could be happened for the decline of the Indus Valley region. Other than this, one more reason is epidemic causes, that is diseases. Epidemic causes may cause the civilization to decline. One of the theory another reason is epidemic. Epidemic is nothing but what do we call ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ರೋಗ ಆವರಿಸಿರ್ಬೋದು ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ರೋಗ, like how now at present we are facing the coronavirus. In the similar way, during that period, like plague or malaria or dengue, how we saw these diseases, like that for the whole region, the people who are staying in the Indus Valley, the whole region might got affected by the certain virus diseases. By this the people might got died and this civilization may got ended ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And decline of the trade and commerce with the Mesopotamia. And the people who are staying in the Mesopotamia or the Indus Valley, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ವಹಿವಾಟು ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ದೇ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ, they will not get anything healed or the crops, and when they doesn't have anything to grow and anything they doesn't get as a crop, how will they sell, how will they make trade? So all these reasons made them to decline the end of the civilization. So in decline of the Indus Valley civilization, we doesn't get any sources or the evidence to tell about these particular reason would have been happened for the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. So children, what the historian says, based on the sources which they have found out, like the pottery, for example pottery, they got that such piece of pottery. This might tell there about art and craft. In the same way, how these people might be got ended life of these people, they suggest some of the points like flood, migration, natural disaster, overcultivation, deforestation, infertile of land, that is land which is not suitable for the growing the crops. And even they say that epidemic cause or that is diseases might be occurred for the people of the civilization. And even the trade and commerce has led them to suffer a lot. So these are the reasons which made for the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. So with this I shall end up the today's topic, that is art and craft of Indus Valley civilization and decline of the Indus Valley civilization. So children, thank you and be safe and be healthy and complete the worksheet as on the day given. Thank you.